Hello everyone, my name is Farid Landa. I'm a solution architect in Microsoft Business Applications, especially for Microsoft Power Platform and Dynamics 365 CE. So today I decided to make a live video, so to show you a little bit some kind of tutorial of about a new feature, a current live new feature, still in preview, yeah, but in model developers for Power Apps. So yeah, it's the way to generate pages, custom pages in Model Develop. So this is my first video, so please be lenient on your reactions and appreciation. Thank you. So let's go. As I say, we're going to talk about this feature, but as I say, it's still in preview. But yes, so the way to generate pages using the natural language. So for this case, yeah, you use some kind of chat, some kind of with prompt to guide AI to generate an app for us, for our need, for our requirement. So as you see in there, some I'll put this in description. So is well documented by Microsoft. Yeah, this is the official documentation page. So as you see, you can yeah, it's very helpful. By the agent, you can create full functional pages, even describe and also improve your apps, and the pages in modern driven apps. But by the way, there are some prerequisites and some conditions to respect before you will be eligible to use the feature. So as you see, you need to have an environment created in the US region and also enable the generative AI and AI power Copilot features also for your makers. So as if you have some policies in your environment restricting the way or blocking the using of AI. So you need to assign these features on for your makers. Then they will be eligible to use the feature. So by the others, the remaining prerequisites, I think, yeah, not really matter. But the first one is very important to be in US region and so to enable generative AI and the Copilot feature AI powered in your environment. So just let's go to show you in Microsoft Admin Center. Oh yeah, as you see, yeah, in Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center, yeah, for my app, this is my app. So my sorry, my environment. So DevUS. So as you see, it's created and just let's open it. So it's created in yeah, in United States region, and also you'll find that yeah, you need to enable generative AI features also on your environment. And then yeah, as also as a condition, you need to assign to enable the the using of AI on Copilot for your makers. So, but for me, I'm a global administrator, so I have the whole right. So, yeah, this part is not really matter for me. So after that, you can go now on your on Power Apps homepage. So the homepage of Power Apps, and then yeah, just try to edit your app. So now I've already prepared my app. So just let's go. We try to edit this. So yeah, as you see, yeah, my app is open. And then let me just click on the generative pages group. So as you see in the corner, you will find add page. Commonly is to add a page. So as you see, you can just add a page. But for me, I already choose describe a page, that's what is already just open the chat. But as you see, yeah, now you can describe a page. If if you are not able, if you are not able to see this, the way to describe a page, I think you are not eligible. So you need to wait. Maybe if you just set up, you just create your environment, you need to, yeah, you need to give to take time the environment to make some updates before you will see, yeah, you will see this happen. So yeah, you can just click on describe a page now if you are seeing it, and then you will see some kind of chat. I see Copilot chat. So for this, you will have it's still in preview, as I say. You will have some predefined prompt you can use and customize as well. And for my case, I already prepared mine. And yeah, for this case, you can even also add images for inspiration for the agent to guide the agent on the interfaces of your need, definitely, and the design also of your need, and also add some tables also on when you are trying to make your prompt. So for my case, yeah, I need the buff tables. So I need the tables, custom tables for my case. Sorry, have already prepared my prompt. So I just want a design. I just want a design and a clean checklist UI for mapping task record related to contact and acquaintance entities. Its task row should include this. And yeah, also the hover, the click, open the task in a dialog with key fields. Filters by customers, date, priority, and enable also CRUD operation on these tasks, on the task, and use a flat as usual. And then maybe at the end, you can just say validate, definitive, can go. So now it's running. So it take just, I think, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, or yeah, 2 minutes to generate everything. So it depends also the on your prompt also. Yeah, your instructions. It can take more time if you have you specify a lot of things to be generated. And yeah, very important. As you see, yeah, there are some kind of summary of what the agent um, is about to generate or is generating. So the way to design a clean, you what? Just retry again. Sorry. Successful. So the design is perfect. And what I'm just, yeah, I have some, so the agent finishes task. And as you see, there are already some examples, some sample data, some sample task data, which was incorporated by the agent. So as you see, the app is generated as well. So what is also interesting to make is just to see also the details on what's really the agent generated, some kind of page type control with a ID. So now I just need to title my page as I see as as I say, we'll just call it customer customer task customer task center. So yeah, by default, even you can change also the you can change the icon if you want. So just let me publish it, and we'll try to test the app. So yeah, now our page is generated. So this one I think is the first one. Let me just remove this and republish. So yeah, let's run our app now. Generated with our generated. So yeah, as you see, our yeah, as you see, our app is live. So now, as I see, they have some kind of search bar, and the agents do a good job. So even we can filter by customer, and also the priority, the status, even the owners, the assigner, and yeah, Carol is design. This is yeah, I think the app is live, and yeah, we can even use it and continue with our journey. So thank you, and yeah, this is just the first video of this is just my first video, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Thank you.